Is this a democracy? These are our people, they are not foreigners. Indian government is treating the farmers the same way the Chinese government is treating the Indian government. This is completely undemocratic. This is fascist. Not only Rihanna, now Greta Thunberg has also supported Indian farmers.
Government has made it very clear that no more conversations, no more talks now. What do you see happening going forward?
Are we a democracy? In a democracy, the government puts up concrete barriers, spikes, digs up the roads, arms the police with iron on the baton. Is this a democracy? Indian government is treating the farmers the same way the Chinese government is treating the Indian government. What are the Chinese doing? They go through 11 rounds of talks, but they won't withdraw a single inch. And today there is a news report that they have brought in more radars and more airplanes in one of the border points. So Chinese government say 11 rounds of talk, but I won't withdraw an inch. The government, Indian government tells the farmers the same thing. 9 rounds of talks, but we won't withdraw an inch. What is the difference?
How can in overnight we see such a big change in the kind of images that you are talking about? So is there a protocol, is there a SOP that has been discussed and then this has been implemented?
Of course there is an SOP, but in this government nobody cares for SOPs. How can you deny access to toilets? How can you deny access to langars for the protesting farmers? They can't use the toilets provided by the Delhi government. What are we doing to our own people? These are our people. They are not foreigners. They are not infiltrators. They are not enemies. They are Indian farmers. And you go and arrest an 80-year-old Sikh farmer? 80 years old. What for? Is he a threat to this country? I mean, this is completely undemocratic. This is fascist. This is the way a fascist government's police will behave. Let me assume that the farm laws were passed with good intention. Let me assume so for the sake of argument. All right, you passed the law. Let me assume also that the laws were passed after discussion. Let me assume also that the farm laws were passed after widespread consultation. Each one of the 3 points is factually wrong, but I'll assume point 1, 2, and 3 in favor of the government. Good farm laws after consultation, after discussion in parliament. Let me assume so. But the farmers don't want the laws. The laws you are making for the farming community, they say, we don't want these laws. So why don't you take it back and say, all right, we've done it with good intention. We have done it after consultation. We've done it after discussion. But if you don't want the law, we'll take it back and we will start the discussion again. And we'll pass another set of laws 3 months from today. Parliament is still there. Parliament has not been wound up in this country, fortunately. So go back and discuss with them and come back with a new law. Maybe the new law will be the same law. I don't know. If you convince the farmers that these laws are good, pass the same law again. If they want some clause change, pass it with that change. Why are you stubborn? Not only Rihanna, now Greta Thunberg has also supported Indian farmers. Greta Thunberg, that school girl who's leading the climate change agitation, has issued a statement supporting the Indian farmers.